Hi everyone! Today, we are going to show you how to draw a soccer goalpost step by step. Grab a pencil and paper and let's get started. Step 1. Let's draw the bars. Start by drawing a rectangle for the main structure. Now, add another smaller rectangle inside it, leaving a little space all around. Next, erase the bottom part of both rectangles to create the bar. Step 2. Adding the net stand. Draw diagonal tube-like structures at the top corners of your goalposts. Connect them to create a roof-like shape. Step 3. Time for the base. Use your ruler to connect the bars at the bottom, forming a solid foundation. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Details about our products and services are in the description below. Step 4. Draw the roof bar. Draw a horizontal roof bar across the top of your goalpost. Step 5. Adding the goal box. Draw lines to mark the goal area and penalty area. Step 6. Adding the net. Draw checkered shapes along the sides and back of the goalpost to represent the netting. Taking your drawing to the next level, adding background and color. Think fluffy clouds, a soccer ball nearby, and maybe some stadium seats in the distance. And don't forget to color it in. Get creative with the goalpost and net colors. We hope you enjoyed learning how to draw a soccer goalpost. The more you practice drawing, the better you'll get. And don't forget to check out the video description for more on our art tutorials and services. And let us know if you have any other vehicular requests. Thanks for watching.